In the shop again, working on the race bike today. Hasn't really been touched since last year, maintenance-wise, besides, you know, the oil change and stuff like that. But I gotta lube and check all the linkage, and I'm gonna lube the steering bearings, grease them up and clean them. Besides that, just go through and clean it. It was dark last night when I washed it, so I kind of did the best I could with a light. But, so yeah, gonna pull it apart and get it looking a lot better today. Alright, this is as far as I got. Just stripped down. I gotta plug up the motor and put in my wash cover for the air filter, and then give this thing a nice wash down, and then I'm gonna wash all my plastics and tank and stuff individually. Alright guys, here it is. I still need to change my graphics up, or at least the number plates. But I really like the Ohlins. I think the gold looks really nice. I cleaned up the FMF a lot. It looks so much better. But this will be the first startup with it. So I took it all the way down to the frame with the motor and the wiring harness on it in the subframe, and cleaned everything, greased all the bearings or replaced them, and swapped the suspension to set it up for moto, cleaned my whole harness, greased everything up, threw the FMF on there, it's still smoking, and got it ready to go try a moto track. Subscribe for more, this is super exciting. More weekly content, I'm hoping, on our different bikes and stuff. So stay tuned.